Introducing an inclusive shopping experience.
A payment terminal.
In an effort to provide a better customer experience, Moneris Core Terminals are equipped with accessibility features. You can enable an interface that better meets your needs by selecting a high-contrast screen to improve readability, plus step-by-step audio prompts. These features are designed to help anyone who may not be able to easily see the screen to navigate the terminal independently, without having to share their PIN or ask for help. Let's go over the accessibility screens and how they work. The merchant will enter the purchase amount on the keypad and pass the terminal to you. From here, there are two simple ways to toggle between screens. One is by touching the accessibility icon in the top right corner of the screen, or press the 5 key on the numeric keypad to activate the accessibility mode.
The accessibility icon is an A with a circle around it. The icon is pressed.
Purchase total $10.75. Please tap, insert, or swipe your card. Press 1 to invert color.
Once enabled, the invert color option appears across the bottom of the screen. Simply touch invert color or press the 1 key on the keypad. The screen will invert to a high contrast display with white text on a black background. Now let's go over how the audio prompts work.
The number 5 is pressed.
When accessibility mode is enabled, in addition to the high contrast screens, you will automatically hear audio prompts coming from the terminal. These will guide you through the payment process step by step. It will read aloud the purchase total and prompt you to tap, insert, or swipe your card.
Purchase total $10.75. Please tap, insert, or swipe your card. Press 1 to invert color.
If tips are enabled on your terminal, you will be asked if you would like to leave one.
A credit card taps the terminal screen.
Next, you'll be asked how you would like your receipt. You may choose to have it texted, printed, or none at all by pressing the corresponding numbers on the keypad. If you choose to have it texted, simply input your phone number using the PIN pad and press the OK key, and you will receive an accessible digital copy of your receipt.
Enter your mobile phone number, then press OK.
The 1 key is for text, the 2 key is for print, and the 3 key is for none.
We have sent your receipt to your phone.
When you're done, return the terminal to the merchant. It's that simple. Brought to you by Moneris and CNIB with funding from the Government of Canada.